A simple conversation between a beginner-level girl and boy.
Hi, what's your name?
Hello. My name is Sarah. What is your name?
My name is Jonas. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I am good, and you?
I am good too.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada. And you?
I am from Pakistan.
What do you like to do?
I like to read books. What about you?
I like to play football.
That is nice.
Yes, it is fun. What is your favorite food?
I like pizza. What about you?
I like burgers.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy food. You?
Yes, I love spicy food.
Do you cook?
Yes, I cook sometimes. Do you?
No, I don't cook, but I like to eat.
Haha, that's funny.
What is your hobby?
I like painting. What about you?
I like playing video games.
That sounds fun. How often do you play?
I play every weekend. And you?
I paint every evening.
Well, that's nice. What do you paint?
I paint flowers and animals.
That's cool. Do you want to play games with me someday?
Sure, and you can try painting with me too.
Oh, okay. That will be fun.
Okay, see you later.
See you. Bye. Thanks for watching.